Format output string, right alignment. I am processing a text file containing coordinates x, y, z. Every line is delimited into 3 items using. After processing data, I need to write coordinates back in another text file so as items in each column are aligned right, as well as the input file. Every line is composed of the coordinates. Is there any manipulator like std column set etc. in C++ allowing to set the width and alignment?
Try this approach using the newer str.format syntax. And here's how to do it using the old % syntax, useful for older versions of Python that don't support str.format.
You can align it like that. Whereas greater than means align to right and 8 is the width for specific value. And here is a proof. PS. Line means the line list will be unpacked, so .format line works similarly to .format line 0, line 1, line 2, assuming line is a list with only 3 elements.
It can be achieved by using regest.
Here is another way how you can format using f-string format. This will provide the following output. What you are doing here is you are saying that the first column is 15 chars long, and it's left justified, and the second column, values, is 10 chars long and it's right justified. If you're joining items from the list and you want to format space between items, you can use and regular formatting techniques. This example separates each number by 3 spaces. The key here is F3. Output.
If you're on 2 theory, please consider subscribing.